Today we will be installing two Kasa single-pole light switches. We will be replacing 4 switches that controlled 1 indoor light and 3 outdoor lights. The indoor light will be controlled by 1 switch, and the 3 outdoor lights controlled by the other switch. Whenever working with electricity, make sure to turn off power to avoid injury or fire. To turn off power, locate your electrical panel and turn the breaker off. If you turn on the light switch you will be working on, you can watch it turn off when you flip the breaker. Now let's remove the faceplate by removing the 2 screws. Now let's remove the switches by removing 4 screws. This will give us access to the wires so they can be removed for installation of the Kasa switches.
That's it. And pull them out if you can get them out.
Now that we have access to the wires, and you have made sure they are not touching each other, we can turn power back on so we can find the hot wires and which wires connect to the lights. Now let's turn the breaker back on.
There's a ground in here.
I guess I had a little too much coffee this morning. Use your meter to find the hot wires. Place the black lead from the meter on the copper or green wire, and the red lead on one of the black wires. Try all the black wires so you know what is hot. Now that we know what wires are hot, we can turn power off again. Once we are sure power is off, we can disconnect the old switches and start installing the Kasa switches. The green wire from the Kasa switch goes to the copper wire. The white wire hooks up to white, and it does not matter what black wire hooks up to which black wire, as long as all hot wires go to one black wire from the Kasa switch and the remaining black wires go to the other black wire. Now that your Kasa plugs are wired up, you can test them before you mount them. Turn on the breaker and try them. Once you see that they are working, mount them into the gang box. Once you have the Kasa switches mounted into the gang box, you can install the faceplate. Nice. Now that everything is installed and working, it is time to connect the Kasa to the network and program it. That will be another video. Please like and subscribe.